Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
Hey guys, I'm bringing you guys with a new video of how to make agua de pepino. So if you guys want the recipe, just follow along. What we first did was peel the cucumber and cut them up into chunks like these. And next we're going to add our spinach. About a handful I put. So then I'm going to add water about halfway. Okay, so I filled it about halfway, but I filled a little bit more, but that's okay. So we're just going to blend that. Okay, so now that it's done, with clean hands, you're going to touch it and make sure that it is a very soft feeling, that you don't feel the cucumber, or you don't feel the texture of the spinach. So after that is done, pour it onto here or any jar that you have. We're using this one because we are making for more people. So then you are going to cut the limes. So you could add more lime depending on your liking. If you want to add a little bit more lime, then you can do that as well. We did 8 limes, but we probably might think it might need a little bit more. And then you're going to add in sugar. But the sugar, the lime, like, it all depends how you like it. Like if you guys like it sweet, then you can add a little bit more sugar. If you guys like a little bit more like with lime, then you can add in a little bit more lime. We added about 8 limes. So I'm going to add in about 8 of sugar. Depending how sweet you guys want it, that it has to do a lot as well. Okay, I added in 7, but I'm going to mix it. So I'm gonna add in another more of sugar, because I am going to be adding in the ice. So the ice is going to melt and come into water. So then it will take away the sweetness of the agua de pepino. And then you guys can tell the difference. Sorry, I know you guys can probably see me, but you guys can tell the difference whether you guys want to add in lime, or you guys want to add more sugar, depending how you guys want it. But I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more lime. After that, you'll just add an ice, and then the ice will just melt into water. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys try it out and you guys will like it as well. Hey guys, so it is day 2 of the vlog, and I've been wearing the product that I bought from Sephora, and right now I'm just going to Costco, and where else? I'm going to Bulldogs. I am wanting to buy more of the SD cards for my camera, and they're like $5 or $10, so I'm gonna be there. So take you guys along with me. Maxx, and I'm finding like makeup products like Too Faced highlighter, the Too Faced glitter eyeliner. This is a lipstick from Too Faced. It is $5.99. It's not bad. And a matte lipstick in this shade. It's really pretty. And I'm looking for a sunscreen for my face, but I can't really find any that I'm like looking for. I can't find any that I'm looking for, so I'll keep on watching. So this is the one-piece suit that I got at TJ Maxx. It was very cheap. It was, oh, I thought this was $5. It was $9.99, whatever. And then I got this top. This one was $5.99. It's just this cute top here. It's from Hollister though. It's funny though. But yeah, it's just a cute striped top. And then I also got the aloe vera gel. I like to put this on my skin whenever I have like whenever my skin is like red from the sun. This is what I put on. And then the place that I told you guys that I was going to go, so I found SD cards for my camera for like $5. Usually these I get them at Target for like $17 and above, so this was a really good sale that they were having. But this is a place, it's called Bulldogs Liquidators. I will link down their Instagram below in the description box, and you guys can check them out. They have really cool stuff. And then I also bought this at TJ Maxx. It's to clean my brushes and my eye brushes. So yeah, it was $4.99. It was not bad. This was $3.99, which is not bad either. There was another one, but it was like this small, and it was like $3.99 as well. So I got this one. This one has no added alcohol. And then I bought some Tootsie Rolls, guys. It was like $2, which, yeah, I don't know why people don't like these. These are really good. I'm gonna have one right now. Hey guys, so I know I'm talking really low because my mom is sleeping, but so it's been 2 weeks later. I know I'm wearing the same shirt, trust me, I washed it, but I'm barely editing this video right now, like 2 weeks later. I was going to add in more clips, but I don't know why my computer's not picking the video. It says that it's a missing file. I don't know, at this point I'm kind of over it, but yeah, I just wanted to say that a lot of people might find it weird that the spinach with the cucumber water might taste nasty, but trust me, you guys, it's so good.
I do really recommend it. I've tried it without spinach and it's good, but it's not really the same when you add in spinach. I feel like the spinach adds in a little bit more of a kick to it. It's really good. You really don't even taste the spinach. It just gives you a little bit more flavor than just the cucumber. It doesn't taste nasty, I promise. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Sorry, I'm whispering. My mom already got mad at me because yeah, I've just been talking. But yeah, so hopefully you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.